One of the many ways for you to know that you're becoming enlightened, imagine yourself, you walk into a room that is filled with people you've never met, and they're having a conversation and you are just listening. You're just listening. Okay, you're not part of the conversation, you're just listening to them. You can be able to tell where those people are located in the ladder of life by listening to their conversation. You can be able to tell where they stand, their level in the ladder of life. Well, what is the ladder of life? The ladder of life is your vertebrae. It's your spinal column. There are 33 of them. There are 33. You have 33. It has 33 lines. Each of them are steps. They're stairways to heaven. That's what Ijitora is. Okay, that ladder. Every one of us, we have that ladder in our back. Without that ladder, we cannot stand. Just like without that ladder, we cannot become enlightened. Okay? So, you will know that you are special when you are in the midst of people that are having conversation and you're listening to what they're saying. You can be able to tell where they are in the ladder of life. Another way for you to know that you are becoming enlightened is when you find yourself splitting away from your old friends. You understand? That you just can't you're not being able to find yourself to relate with them anymore because you don't feel like there's anything that you guys have to talk about. You understand? Because they are no longer in your ladder. And it's not an ego thing, okay? You're not being egotistic. It is just that you cannot be able to see yourself communicating, or just let's say if it was your girlfriend, or if it was like a girl, like if you're a girl and your girlfriends, if they were like your girlfriends, or if you're a guy, your guy friends, you're not being able to follow those guys to go and sit and drink beer anymore. You don't see yourself going out, hanging out with those girls that you used to hang out with, because you feel like your philosophy changed. And it is not because you're feeling better than them. It's just that you don't see anywhere you can be able to associate with them in order for them to understand or understand who you are right now. You know why that is? It is because you are enlightened. You have become a guardian angel. You have become Christ. You have become a spirit. You are no longer, your body is in the material plane, but your consciousness is not. Chi Ori only encounters those that are open-minded, or those that are wise. God's Abara does not come close to ignorance. Spirits ada bekute ignorance. So see now bekute ignorance bad more bad energy. That's what comes around ignorance. But as onyo fufochi, onyo chifogolu, someone that is enlightened, someone that is illuminated that you are not being able to encounter those people because your consciousness will be telling you that God, which is what you are, does not encounter the ignorance. God only encounters the wise, or those that are open-minded. These are just some of the ways for you to know that you are enlightened, or that you are becoming enlightened. There are many other ways.